Jai Hind children. Today we are going to start the new chapter tissue. In the previous chapter, the cell, you have read that the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. In unicellular organism, all the life processes are carried out by a single cell. In amoeba, you have studied that the respiration, intake of food, excretion, etc. are carried out by a single cell. But what about multicellular organism, where the body of the organism is made up of many cells, millions of cells? You have read in the previous chapter that the cells are of various shape and size to carry out specific function. So, in multicellular organism, group of cells are modified to carry out specific function as muscle cells for the contraction and relaxation, that is movement, for movement. Nerve cells are long to carry out messages. Blood cells are for the transportation of food, oxygen, waste, materials and hormones, etc. This shows that in multicellular organism there is a division of labor. Let's take an example. Think of the subject science. You have 3 teachers to teach science. One for physics, one for chemistry and another for biology. Each of them has lots of commands for his or her subject. So they can teach the subject very efficiently and nicely. Same happens in the multicellular organism also. A group or a cluster of cells perform a specific function, and so the function is carried out very efficiently. They are placed in certain region. This group or cluster of cell which perform a certain function is called the tissue. Now question arises, are they of same structure every time? No. They may be similar or dissimilar in structure, but together perform certain function, such as nerve cell or neurons are all same in structure and performs the function of carrying messages. But if you talk about blood, which is a tissue, is made up of many cells and performs the function of transport of material. So we can say that tissue are group of cells which may be similar or dissimilar in structure but performs a certain function. I repeat, tissue are group of cells which are similar or dissimilar in structure but performs a certain function. Children, hope it is clear to you. Now read the page number 68 of your NCERT book. Thank you.